Good morning students. Today we are going to learn the story about the parrot and the flower. This is the story about the friendship between the parrot and the flower. So let's start. Reading. Let us read a story about two parrots and a flower. So this is basically the story between the two parrots and a flower. There lived two parrots in a beautiful garden. They lived on a big tree. So these are the two parrots which where they lived. They lived in a beautiful garden. Okay, and they stay on a big tree. They loved to fly around the garden. When they were tired, they sat on the grass and ate worms, fruits and leaves. So they love to fly around the garden. Okay, they love flying and they are flying around only in the garden. When they were tired, they sat on a grass. So when they become very tired for flying, so where they can sit? They sit on the grass. And what they eat? They eat worms, fruits and leaves. So you can see here, they eat grass. Okay, they eat leaves, they eat fruits. What they are talking about? Yay, we love to eat these leaves. Now a little yellow flower heard the parrot. She was very scared. Oh no, I hope these two parrots don't find warm here. They will sit on me and tear my petals with their beak. Help! Now you can see these two pictures here. These two parrots are sitting and this is yellow flower, a little yellow cute flower. Now when they both are talking, when the parrot were talking, so the flower heard their voice and the flower is very scared. Why the flower is very scared? Because the flower is very small and if the parrot came near to the flower for searching the worms, what will happen? They will sit on the flower. So when they will sit on the flower, what will happen next? The petals were tear, isn't it? So that's why the flower was feeling very scared. Now the parrot heard the scared flower. They went to talk to her. Hello little flower, we did not know that our beaks tear the flowers. Now the parrot replied, we will never sit on any little flower again. We are sorry. Now you can see here both the parrots heard what the flower is talking about them. They went to talk to flower. What they said? The first parrot said, okay, we don't know that our beak hurt you. And the second parrot said, we will never hurt any flower again. They will never sit on any flower again. Now the little flower was very happy now. She rubbed her eyes and smiled. Then the parrot said, will you be our friend, dear flower? Then flower replied, sure, I would love to be your friend. After the conversation, both the parrots, the flower became very happy. She rubbed his eyes and smiled. And the parrot asked the flower, will you be a friend? Then what the flower has replied, sure. Now both flower and both the parrots will become best friends. Now every morning the two parrots flew outside the garden. In the evening they come back and told the flower everything they saw outside. Now the parrots decided to flew away from the garden or outside the garden. Before that, where they are flying? They are flying on the garden, around the garden. Okay. After all incidents, they decided to go outside the garden and they will come back in the evening, and what they have seen during their journey they all discuss with the flower. Now one night it rained heavily. The wind and the rain broke down many trees. The little flower was also very hurt. It did not talk to the parrot anymore. The parrots were very sad to lose their friend. Now one day what will happen? It rained very heavy, and because of the heavy rain all the trees, many of the trees will broke down. So the same as it is, the little flower also very hurt and the little flower become die. Both the parrots were very sad because they lose their friend. See, both the parents were very sad. Sorry, parrots were very sad because their friend flower will die. After a few days, the sun shone brightly again. The parrot sat on the grass. They were eating leaves. Just then, a little blue flower peeped at them. So, after this incident or after a few days, the sun shined so brightly in the sky, and the parrots as usual sitting on the grass, and they start eating their leaves. Then who called them? Who called the parrots? A beautiful blue flower. Beautiful blue flower waved a hand and say hello to parrots. Hello, hey, who are you? Will you be our friend? Sure. The parrot made a new friend again. Isn't it nice? So what the blue flowers say to parrots? The blue flowers say hello to the parrot, and the parrot asks again that the blue flower, will you be our friend? Will you be our friend? Then what the flower has replied? Sure. And they both become friend again, and the parrots get a new friend. I hope you will like the story. Thank you.